So I told you in the previous video that I had a surprise that would blow your mind, right? While keeping with the same theme of helping you build or rebuild your business with limited funds, this next offer is our Upsell Profits Masterclass, and it's going to help you elevate your online marketing skills, which can explode your profits no matter what industry you're in. Whether you own a traditional small business or you're in the coaching or consulting industry, even network marketing, and whether you're selling information products or physical products using traditional e-commerce, literally it doesn't matter. Any industry. Or if you don't already have a business and want to build an online business, this e-course will teach you how to start an information marketing business, which is currently one of the most profitable business models in the world. And of course, we'll show you the secrets of how to build it with little to no out-of-pocket cost. This course is valued at $497, but today we're going to give you this 6-video masterclass for only $197. That's an instant savings of $300. In this masterclass, you'll learn things like how to convert prospects into buyers and increase conversion rates with simple tweaks to your sales copy. Get more bang for the buck with upsells. That's the secret sauce to turning first-time customers into lifetime customers. You'll also learn how to make 10 or even 20% more sales or more without creating a new product or offer. Just one simple tweak and watch your profits soar with no extra effort. You'll gain the mastery to bring in an unnatural amount of sales flooding into your inbox. You'll also learn how to get an army of affiliates willing to promote your product, plus many other techniques that can take your business to the next level. All you have to do is hit the button below to have this innovative e-course added to your order to be delivered along with More Traffic's More Profit video course that you ordered on the previous page. By the way, I'll have one more offer on the confirmation page that will add the final touch to your new and improved business. Don't pass it up. It's a one-time offer.